Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and today I wanted to do a step-by-step breakdown of how you can achieve a flawless base. I know that I struggle with this because I have oily acne prone skin and I am in Mumbai, which is the most humid weather possible. So a big struggle of mine is to keep my makeup on, and I feel like through some trial and errors, I have figured out a couple of tips and tricks that have really helped me keep my makeup on. Literally, I did this makeup in the morning and I'm filming this at night, and this is still looking and going good. And honestly, I've not had any touch-ups as such. So if you want to know how you can get this flawless base, please keep watching.
Alright, so if we want a flawless base, we have to start with skincare, and for that first I'm going to use the Mamaearth Chia face pack. This is a really innovative product because this gives hydrated glow with the goodness of chia seed and ceramide. This formula is pH balanced and it has natural ingredients which helps with hydrating your skin and to repair your skin barrier. When it gets really hot and humid, I like using this as a quick fix because it gives me that cooling effect. I just apply it all over my face, wait for 15 minutes and then wash it off with a damp cloth. My face feels supremely rejuvenated, and to lock all of this goodness in, I just follow it up with a little bit of moisturizer, and now my face is ready for glam. I will leave a link to this in the description box, and you can use my code Shruti2025 for a 20% off on the Mamaearth website. So definitely check it out. Now that our skin is prepped, we get to doing our makeup. Starting off with this gripping primer, I have realized that these gripping primers work really well when I want my makeup to last my entire day. I go in with that and you can see how good this works. After that, I go in with a foundation. Here I'm using a foundation which has a luminous matte sort of a feel. I will leave all the product links in the description box so you can check that out. And another tip is puff the foundation on your face and not drag it down. This I feel really helps with pushing the product into your skin and making it last. Then I take this damn beauty blender and just blend that into my skin so that it looks really nice and flawless. Then going in with this peachy concealer. This concealer is sort of similar to my skin tone and I just use it wherever I want to. I keep it on for like 10 seconds before blending it. This really helps with giving me that coverage that I'm looking for. And you can see once I'm done with that, I go in with the beauty blender to again blend everything in. This step is very important. I then spritz some setting spray onto my face, let it dry, give it like 10 seconds and then go in with the beauty blender to really blend that product into my skin. You can already see that my skin looks really even toned now, which looks great already. But we're going to take it one step ahead and I'm going to show you how amazing this is going to look. So I'm going to take this blush. I know it looks intimidating, but this red blush is literally everything on brown skin. Once you blend it out, it's going to look good. Trust the process. Then I'm going to go in with the highlighting concealer and I am going to buff that in first with my concealer brush and then also taking my beauty blender and blending everything in. I like doing this step after the blush because it gives it a more highlighted look. Going in with this powder, I mainly concentrate this underneath my eyes and I ensure that I'm looking up so that I don't have any creases. And I use a different powder which has a little bit more color on the rest of my face. I then again spritz my face with some setting spray because this melts the powder into the skin and you can already see how flawless my skin looks. And after this is done, ta-da! This is how the full face of makeup looks like. I quickly did the rest of my makeup and I absolutely am ready to take on the day. Following this routine gives me the most flawless base and makeup wear throughout the day, and I absolutely love that I do not need any touch-ups if I follow this process. And yeah, that is the finished look.
So yes, that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely love using these techniques, especially I think adding that spritz of setting spray in between your steps is a game changer, and that is what makes your makeup last that extra mile. I will leave all the products in the description box so you can check it out, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.